Today we're going to cover how to carve a brisket. Step 1, you got to find your jiggle line by jiggling the point of the brisket and then cut the brisket in half right along that line. Take your point and set it aside. Then take your flat and start carving slices roughly the width of a pencil. You do this for the entire flat. Don't worry if your slices are a little thick or a little thin. It'll all work out in the end. Once you're done, take your flat, take your slices, and set them aside or in a pan. Bring your point back and turn it 90 degrees from the jiggle line and start slicing. There are 2 grains in a brisket between the point and the flat. Finally, give your brisket the bend test. It should hang over your finger just like this if it's tender and juicy and cooked correctly.